Hi guys, I'm David Dispanak with ML-A9, and today we're going to be talking about the Aputure ML-A9 light. This little light is super tiny. It is the size of a credit card, not in thickness, but in actual size. As you can see, it's a tad bit thicker. This is a $45 light from Aputure, one of our favorite companies when it comes to lighting equipment, monitors, and all kinds of other stuff. They're an amazing company that makes products at a very reasonable price that are very forward-thinking. They really listen to their customers when it comes to making products. So let's dive right into this light because it's really cool. It's rated at 95 plus CRI. It's set at 55K. Now it does have a filter that it comes with, and so we're able to change the temperature a little bit with the filter. And there's probably other filters that you could buy or create because it's all magnetic right here. So if you wanted to go out and get some different colors, different colored filters here, or pieces of paper like this, you can actually change your Kelvin temperature that way. And you have a couple different ones. I should say those were stuck together, but you have a couple different ones here. And then if you want to cool your shot down, we're able to do that. This one right here, very simple. Next, we do have an extra diffuser. Of course, this little magnetic piece here is one of your diffusers. We have a second diffuser here, and we can pop that on. Very simple, and we get a little extra diffusion, which is really nice. Now, you get 9 little LEDs. As I said, this is a $45 light, super cheap, very lightweight. We can turn it on. Now, it is at its dimmest at the moment. You have a little, on the side you have plus and minus, so we're able to brighten it up, and you can hit it 9 times, and then it will get a lot brighter. And of course, we can dim it back down by hitting the button 9 times, or just holding it down until it's fully dimmed. You do have a cord on the side. At its full power, you're going to get about an hour and a half of shooting with this light at full power, quite a bit longer if you're not using full power, and it takes about 3 hours to fully charge it. You do have a little hot shoe piece that goes great for a light stand, or if you want to actually put it on the top of your camera. Just want to make sure you don't over tighten it. You don't want to accidentally break it, but it just fits in there like that. Very simple. There's a bunch of different things this hot shoe will fit into that you could use. If you had a handful of these lights, they could be very beneficial. They could really light up a small area. The other really nice thing is that because of its size and its price, one, being so cheap, secondly, because of its size, it can fit like anywhere. You could probably even get some tape or something on the back, put some Velcro, and you could be Velcroing it and set it in different spots. As well, you do get a little case and a little carabiner on the back, so it's really nice that you have a case that you can carry it in. And that is the Aputure AL-M9 light. It's pretty amazing for the price. We're very happy with it, and we're looking forward to testing it out and using it a lot more on our different sets. It's ultra portable, and we absolutely love that about the light. Click over here to your right to look at our newest video. If you made it this far, go on and hit that subscribe button. All kinds of cool videos are going to be coming out as we're always making them. And over here in the corner, diagonally from me, you can go click and check this bad boy out. If you do happen to purchase it through that link, it does give us a little commission, keeps us going and making new videos. Thanks for stopping in, guys. We'll catch you next time.